Agility Writer update. There are two updates to be precise. The first, as you can see, it's the new Topical Map helper, and the second one, just released a few hours ago, it's the new Smart Editor. So let's take a look. Welcome back to Digital Toolcase. This is Agility Writer. I already made many videos about this AI writing tool here on my channel, so you can take a look, and if you want you can also take advantage of my special Agility Writer discount code. You can find it in the description, and it gives you a pretty good discount on these three plans: the basic one, the pro one and the premium one. Agility Writer also has a slightly revamped dashboard, as you can see here. You have a summary of your articles and other parameters, but let's go straight into these new updates. The first one, it's already here in Agility Writer since a few weeks. You can find it under the Tools menu, and it's the Topical Map helper. If you have an active subscription with Agility Writer, you can use this tool, and there's also an interesting and very detailed blog article on their site on how to use this Topical Map helper. As you may know, Topical Map helps you rank better because you can generate many articles around a specific topic, and you can increase your authority. You can make your site SEO way better, you can completely cover a specific topic, and this will help you rank way better. The way it works is really simple. You just need to insert your main topic here and click on the search button, and you will get a very detailed list of subtopics. I want to show you some examples because once you do it for your niche, for your topic, you will have something like this. Let's take dog nutrition as an example. You will be able to download a spreadsheet like this. As you can see, you have different sections: the main section, the main preposition, the supplementary comparison, the supplementary question, because each of these sections has different article types. The main section includes the most important articles, let's say the pillar ones. In this example, best dog food for optimal nutrition, with the main keyword, the search volume for local and global, the CPC, and even the description of the article you need to generate. In the main preposition section, you have articles, for example, like dog diet for liver disease. As you can see, for is a preposition, so you have a lot of these examples or articles with the pros and cons. Then you have the supplementary section with articles, for example, with guides and so on. And you have the supplementary comparison with comparison kind of articles, and supplementary question, where you can answer to users' questions with this kind of articles. What is a dog nutritionist? What is the best dog nutrition? And so on. As you can see, with just one Topical Map helper, you have a lot of articles ready to be written, and obviously you can write them directly here in Agility Writer from this section. This is the screen you will see with the section, the main topic, the article title, and you just need to click on this button and write automatically your articles with Agility Writer. Pretty simple to use, very useful. The second update just released is the new Smart Editor. You can go to this Smart Editor from here, from the History menu. You go to View and Download Articles. When you are here, you just need to click on this little button where you see Edit Article. You open your article you want to edit, and if you have an active subscription with Agility Writer, you will find an edit button here like this. Just by clicking this Edit Article, you will be able to edit each single part of your article. Here's an example. You can select your section or paragraph with your mouse, and then you have a menu here. You can humanize content, improve readability, improve writing. You can split the paragraphs, you can change point of view, change tone, and do whatever you want. You will have a new generation. You can accept it or not. This is something new. Yes, it's already in other AI writing tools. It was not in Agility Writer. Now it's here. And this makes Agility Writer even more flexible to edit your articles once they are finished in a very easy way. You can even ask AI to provide specific instructions. It's like having an AI assistant here to have suggestions and ways to improve your article. And this is a very good improvement now to polish and fine-tune your content before you publish it to your WordPress or your site, and obviously you can do it directly from Agility Writer. And that's it for this really short and quick video. I just wanted to show you how this tool is developing. Each time it becomes even better and better. As you may know, it's one of my favorite AI writing tools, and I'm not the only one to think this. So again, if you want, I have a special Agility Writer AI discount code. You can find it in the description if you want to use it. You can use it for these 3 different plans, the Basic, the Pro and the Premium. And remember, you can also try Agility Writer for just $1. You will have some credits, so you can see how it works and if you like it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and obviously you can even click here if you want to watch for my previous contents about Agility Writer. Thank you very much for being here, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next video.